Hi there, Darren here, founder of Dash Activate Online. On today's episode, I want to talk about one of my favorite plugins for Shopify, which is Hotjar, which helps you get more customer data to optimize your sales pages. So let's get into it. If you're in the e-commerce space, there's nothing more valuable than customer data. So how do you get it? If you're running a Shopify store, you're spending money on Facebook ads, and you're driving traffic to the page, and nothing's converting, how do you know what to adjust? This is where Hotjar comes in, an awesome little plugin that works with Shopify and WordPress, and I'm sure a bunch of other platforms as well. But where we mainly use it is with our clients' Shopify stores. There's a number of features that Hotjar has that really makes it easy to get customer data and to develop those insights on your customers so that you can optimize those sales pages and get maximum conversions. My first favorite feature is heat mapping. So with heat mapping, it actually tracks the entire sales page or even the entire site, and it shows you where people are hovering their mouse and what they're looking at when they're on your page. So you can see, are they missing your add to cart buttons? Are they reviewing the titles? Are they looking through your galleries and the other images? You can really quickly see a quick visual on there of what people are looking at and how they're browsing your pages. To complement that, Hotjar also offers screen recordings, which is the next level on top of heat maps. With screen recordings, you can watch as people browse your site and you can see exactly what they're looking at, where they're entering information. It obviously doesn't show you the information. It shows you when they're clicking on buttons and when they're clicking on different images. So you can really get a quick visual representation of what people are doing on your website and how they're interacting with it at another level above the heat maps. The third feature that I really love is the polling feature. We use polls in a variety of different ways. The first way is to find out why people aren't converting. So that's really our first port of call. We do that by popping up a small little survey box if someone's been on that sales page for longer than a certain period of time and they haven't converted. We pop up a little box that asks them, what's the thing that's stopping them from buying today? You'd be surprised at the amount of customer insight and data that you can get from that. As we start getting conversion rates flowing and we're up around that 2.5% to 3% mark with our client sites, we then like to switch that poll to this page following checkout, because you can reach people there when they're on a high and they've just purchased a product, and you can ask them questions like, what other products would you like to buy from this site, or what would complement the product that you just purchased. You can get some really quick insights there into the products people are looking for and really figure out how to cross-sell and upsell those customers as they're flowing through your funnel. Another great way to use the polling feature is to ask people why they purchased today, immediately following that checkout. And again, this is a great way to get customer insight as to the reasons why they converted and the elements that were on that sales page that help get them across the line. If you combine those three powerful strategies with Hotjar's tools, you can really quickly optimize and bump that conversion rate up on your site to brand new levels that you've never seen before. If you'd like help with this, or you've got an e-commerce store that you're looking to bump the conversion rate up on and optimize everything, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We've got videos on there that explain sales page optimization, how to create ad copy, and we're releasing new videos every week. Otherwise, feel free to shoot me a DM, a message, reach out to me through our website. I'd love to connect and chat more about your project. All right, stay safe. Bye.